If you need long-term care and have a relative in the UK who can support you, you may be eligible to apply for an Adult Dependent Relative (ADR) visa. The Adult Dependent Relative visa category is for adult dependent relatives of British citizens in the UK, persons settled in the UK, persons with limited leave to remain in the UK under Appendix EU, or persons in the UK with refugee leave or humanitarian protection status who wish to settle in the UK. The requirements are strict and you must meet them in full to secure a visa. Here are some details regarding the eligibility criteria. To apply for an Adult Dependent Relative visa, both you and your UK-based family member need to meet the following requirements. You must be one of the following to the UK-based family member: a parent aged 18 or over, a grandparent, a brother or sister aged 18 or over, an adult child aged 18 or over. Here are some details regarding the care requirement. You must demonstrate that you require long-term care due to age, illness or disability, cannot perform everyday personal and household tasks like washing or cooking, cannot receive the required care in your home country either because it is not available or affordable, or no one else in the home country can reasonably provide it. Here are some details regarding the financial requirements. Your UK-based family member must show financial stability and prove they can support and accommodate you in the UK without relying on public funds. Sign an undertaking that commits to financially supporting you for at least 5 years. Have enough resources to provide care or arrange for your care in the UK. Here are some details regarding the application process. Gather supporting documents. You will need a range of documents to support the application, including proof of relationship documents such as birth certificates, marriage certificates, or other documentation showing the family link. Medical evidence documents such as a letter or report from a doctor or medical professional confirming your medical condition and need for long-term care. Financial evidence documents such as bank statements, salary slips, or other proof showing that your UK-based family member can financially support you. Care evidence documents such as proof that adequate care is not available or affordable in your home country. Accommodation evidence, proof that your UK-based family member has adequate and appropriate accommodation in the UK, for example, tenancy agreement, mortgage statement, property inspection report. The application is made from outside the UK. You must apply using the online form. You will also need to complete the Appendix 1 form if applying from certain countries. Please note, the application fee is £3,250. You are not required to pay the immigration health surcharge. You will need to submit biometric information, fingerprints and photograph, at a visa application centre in your home country. Decisions on adult dependent relative visas can take up to 12 weeks. If successful, you will be granted indefinite leave to remain in the UK. Key points to note. The Adult Dependent Relative Visa is known for its strict requirements and high refusal rate. You must provide comprehensive evidence that care cannot be provided in your home country. Your UK-based family member must be able to demonstrate sufficient financial resources to cover your needs without accessing public funds. Once granted, the visa allows you to live in the UK indefinitely. However, your UK-based family member must undertake to provide full financial and personal support for at least 5 years. If your application is refused, you may be given a right of appeal. However, successful appeals are rare due to the stringent nature of the rules. If you're considering this visa, schedule an appointment with us today, as it involves complex requirements and a high threshold for approval. For more information, get in touch using the details on screen.